Hello student, in this video we will see exercise 4.2. Previous video we completed 4.1. Before watching this 4.2, watch previous video. Don't miss out that video and please share and subscribe this video. Now here see we have to find out the solution of a quadratic equation by factorization. We have to solve 4.2. Before that, little introduction is there. See here, solution of a quadratic equation by factorization method. Here, in general, a real number alpha is called root of a quadratic equation. This is the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 and a not equal to 0. And the alpha here, if a alpha square plus b alpha plus c equal to 0 means x equal to alpha. Here x is there, here alpha is there. So the solution of quadratic equation or that alpha satisfied the quadratic equation means x equal to alpha means whatever solution is there, that is the value of alpha or that zeros. See here, zeros of the quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c and the roots of the quadratic equation ax square bx plus c are the same. Means there is a zeros means that one solution is there. We have to find the roots of the quadratic equation by factorization. Roots means here given alpha or zeros. Sometimes zeros also is given. Zeros means that zeros is also values of x or variable. Now here by factor, now x square minus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. So given quadratic equation we are writing as it is, x square minus 3x minus 10 equal to 0 by factorization method. So we have to take the factors, but how to go for these factors? This middle term minus 3x, we have to splitting this middle term into two numbers. But how to find out that two numbers? Now middle term minus 3x means what? Sum of that. Here I have written roughly. Suppose here's middle term minus 3 is there. So minus 3 means that is the sum. Two numbers we have to splitting means we have to split that numbers in that number in two numbers. So which two numbers we have to take instead of minus 3x? So minus 3x we have to consider is a sum. Means we have to take the two numbers, their sum is minus 3 and here this minus 10 constant is there, minus 10 is there, no? And here multiplication of this coefficient of x square. Here for x square coefficient is 1, so 1 multiply by minus 10. Here I have written product minus 10 into 1 equal to minus 10 means product we have to take minus 10, sum should be minus 3. So two numbers are there. Suppose 5 and 2 is there, but we have to consider the minus and plus sign also, because here, so see here product is minus 10, sum is minus 3. If you are taking only 5 and 2, then subtract, product is 10 but here minus 10. Sum is, if you are taking the sum, then 5 and 2 means become 7 but here sum is minus 3. Same numbers are there but we have to adjust the sign. If you are taking minus 5 and into 2, so see the multiplication, minus 5 into 2, it's minus 10. Here product is minus 10 and sum minus 3. So minus 5 and plus 3. Minus and plus is there, a subtraction is there. Bigger number sign we have to give minus. So minus 3. So minus 5 and minus 2 is correct number. So we are getting sum also minus 3. So instead of here minus 3, we have to take minus 5 and plus 2. So here written already x square minus 5x plus 2x. See, this subtraction is coming minus 3 and its multiplication is coming minus 10 and minus 10 here as it is. Now here x square is there, here x is there. So this x we can take common. If x is coming common, so here it will remain only x, that we have to write in bracket. Okay, and then minus x, this x is already outside, so minus 5 as it is. Bracket means this x is multiplied by each terms. See, x into x, x square, x into minus 5, minus 5, means it is our answer is correct. We have to keep the bracket. Plus 2, if we are plus as it is, 2x is there, then 2 and here x is not there, so x we can't take. Here 2 we are writing and here 2 into 5 means 10, means here you can take the common because here 2 is there, factor is 2 is there, so 2 you can take common, so 2 is here. So what will remain? X will remain here. So in bracket here, if you have taken 2 means 10 will not come here, 5 will come, because 2 is multiply here number. So 2 into x, 2x, 2 into minus 5, minus 10. So we have to write 5 equal to 0. Then and another thing is there here, see one hint I am giving here, x minus 5 bracket is coming means same bracket will come here with the sign, and that same bracket we have to take again common. So x minus 5, here you got the x minus 5, here also you will get the 100% x minus 5. If you are not getting means your factorization process or steps is wrong. So x minus 5 here as it is in bracket, here this x and plus 2 in another bracket equal to 0. So x minus 5 equal to 0 or x plus 2 equal to 0. So x is coming this side, so it's become plus, x equal to 5, or x equal, here plus is there, it's become minus 2. So 5 and minus 2 are the roots of the quadratic equation x square minus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. Now second example, 2x square plus x minus 6 equal to 0. So given quadratic equation we are writing as it is. Now here sum will come, x is there, so coefficient of that x is 1, so sum is 1. Here I have written sum equal to 1. Now product, what product will come here? Constant minus 6 is there and coefficient of this x square is 2, so 2 into minus 6 equal to minus 12. So product should be minus 12 and sum should be plus 1. So 3 and 4 number, and 3 4 3s are 12, but minus we required, so and plus is there, so 4 minus 3, so bigger number sign we are giving, so plus 1 and sum is coming, and 4 into minus 3, so minus 12. So I have written here, so instead of this x you can write minus 4x minus 3x minus 6 equal to 0. Now here 2x square is there, so 2x and here 4x is there, so 2x you can make the common here. So again how to take the common if you not understood here, so roughly I am giving here, see here, then here 2 into x into x, x into x, then plus 4 means 2 into 2 x, like this is there. Now see here, this 2 is there, here 2 common is there, here x common is there, x common is there, here 2 is there, but here see here 2 is there, but here 2 is not there, here x is there, but here only one x is there, because already we have taken the common. Then see underline things are number or letter is the common things, here 2 is there, here also 2 is there, here x is there, here also, so 2x common. Underline, this underline number are coming outside. So what will remain in bracket? See I am making round, remaining things will remain in a bracket. So what is the remain that I make the round here? X plus this 2. So like this fact we are writing here. So this thing I have written here directly. Now here this side, again this side also you can make it here. See minus 3x is there, minus 6 is there. So what you can write here? So here minus 3x as it is and 2 into 3. So what is the common things will come here? This 3 will come here and this 3 will, x is not there. So what will happen here? So here 3 will remain outside and x minus, here minus is that, so I am writing, don't get confused, here minus is there, but here this side it will become plus. So don't think this way, only 3 how 3 is coming common, this sign I will explain here. Now 3 is common, so 3 is common, here minus sign is there, so minus 3 will common. What will remain here? X, and this 6, 3 will, 2 will remain, here 2 is there, no, this 2 will remain, here it is coming, but how plus sign here here minus sign is there, we make the bracket here, so minus sign is there, here minus sign is there, and we made here bracket, and outside the bracket minus sign is there, so it will change the sign, it's become plus 2. And here also one thing is there, we got here x plus 2, so here also you will get x plus 2 equal to 0. So this common is there, x plus 2, and x plus 2 we written here is common, then 2x another bracket 2x minus 3 equal to 0, 2x plus 2 equal to 0, or 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So this plus 2 coming this side, so it's become minus, so x equal to minus 2, or 2x equal to 3, and x equal to, here multiplication is there, is become division 3 upon 2. So minus 2 and 3 upon 2 are the roots of the quadratic equation. Equation is 2x square plus x minus 6 equal to 0. Now third example, root 2 x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. The given quadratic equation is, we are writing as it is. Now here middle term is 7x, means sum is 7, and product is what, 5 into 5 root 2 into 2, here 2 into 5 root 2, so 5 into root 2 into root 2, it's become multiplication to 5 into 2 10, and sum is 7. So which two numbers are 5 into 2 10, product will come, and sum 5 plus 2 7. Here all positive sign is there, so here no problem, all positive will come. For this splitting of this term, positive will come. So instead of 7x, we'll write 2x plus 5x. Here 7x is there, 2x plus 5, and other things are same. So root 2 x square plus, see here, root 2 means what? Root 2, here root 2 x square plus, here 2x is there. Instead of 2x, we are writing 2 into root 2. 2 root 2 into root 2 means it is a 2 multiplication. So again, for here root 2 is given, so we are writing like this, plus 5x as it is, and 5 plus 5 root 2 equal to, see here, now here some common things are there. Here root 2 is there, here root 2 is there, and here x square means here x into x there means, and this x. So root 2 and this x is bracket. So from this x square, x is coming outside, so only x will remain. That remaining x will come in bracket x, plus here root 2 already gone, so only one root 2, and this x also gone, so x plus root 2. Here see, here one x will remain, see, one x, that remaining x is coming in bracket. Then 5x plus, here is there 5 and 5 here common, so 5 will come outside, in bracket x will remain, x plus root 2. Here also we got same, x plus root 2 and x plus root 2, this is we are taking common, x plus root 2, remaining root 2x plus 5 equal to 0. So x plus root 2 equal to 0, or root 2 x plus 5 equal to 0. So x equal to, this mine is coming this side, is become minus root 2, or root 2 x equal to minus 5, x equal to minus 5, root 2 is coming this side, so it's become division. So final answer, x equal to minus root 2 and x equal to minus 5 upon root 2. Therefore root 2 and minus 5 upon root 2 are the roots of the quadratic equation. This quadratic equation's roots are there. Now fourth example is there, 2x square minus x plus 1 upon 8 equal to 0. So the given quadratic equation is 2x square minus x plus 1 upon 8 equal to 0. Taking LCM, here we have to take the LCM, so LCM will come 8, so this 8, so multiply by this term 8, this term also multiply by 8, and plus 1 will come, so 2 into 8 means it is a 16x square, 8x and plus 1 equal to 0. Now see, middle term is 8 minus 8, okay, then means sum is minus 8, so here minus 4 and minus 4, and here 16 into this 1 means product is 16 into 1 16, so product minus 4 into minus 4, it's plus 16, minus is become plus, and here minus 4 equal to minus 8, that is the sum. So 16x square minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. Now here also see, here 16x square, again if you not understood, you can see here rough work I am doing. Here 16x square minus 4x is there, so here 16x square means what, we can write 4 into 4 into x minus 4x. So what is the common? Here 4 is there, here 4 is there, here x is there, x. These things are common. So 4x is common. What will remain here then? This 4 and this x means 4x minus 1. 4x already gone, so nothing will remain. Nothing will remain means here multiply by 1, so this 1 will remain here. So in this bracket, okay. So 4x, and see here, then 4x coming outside, 4x minus 1. Here 4 is coming outside means here 4 is 16x square, 4x into minus means, and see here 4x plus 1 is there, nothing is there common. So what we have here, 4 minus x is in this bracket, so here also we should get. So 1 we have to take common, and this minus 4x as it is, and 1 as it is. Here outside the bracket minus sign is there, so sign will change, it's become minus sign. So this thing is coming as it is complete in bracket. So what is the common here? 4 into x into 1 and 1 into 1. Here like this is there. Here 4x plus 1. So what is the 4 into here? 4x into 1 plus 1 into 1, here 1. So 1 is common here. That 1 is coming here outside. So 4x minus 1, 4x minus 1 equal to 0. So 4x minus 1 equal to 0, or 4x minus 1 equal to 0. 4x equal to minus 1, it's become coming this side plus 1. 4x equal to 1. Same, 4x equal to 1. X equal to 1 upon 4, or x equal to 1 upon 4. 4x is there, no? So it's become division. 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 4 are the two equal roots of the quadratic equation. Now fifth example, 100 square minus 20x plus 1 equal to 0. Given quadratic equation we are writing as it is. Your product is here, coefficient of x square is 100, and here 1 is there, so 1 into 100, product is 100, and sum is minus 20. So here minus 10 minus 10 minus 20 sum, and minus 10 multiplied by minus 10 equal to 100. So 100x square minus 10x plus 1 equal to 0. So same here, 100 means what? 100 into 100, so 100 will come common. So what will remain here? 100 will come. So same way again I am explaining here. See, rough work here I am showing that 100x square minus 100x means what? 10 into 10 into x minus 10 into x. So what is the common? 10 is here, 10 is here. Here x is there, here x is there. So 10x is common. So what is the remain? There is no underline, or I am making here round. That means it is remain in the bracket. Here nothing is remain, so here multiply by 1, so 1 is there. Okay, then same here. Now here written, now minus 10x plus 1 is there, so here common is 1 is there, 10x into 1 and 1 into 1, so 1 is common, and minus 10x plus as it is. Outside the bracket minus sign is there, here plus is there, sir, but outside we are taken the minus sign, so this sign will change and it will become minus 1. And another thing, here came 10x minus 1, so same bracket we should get, so 10 minus x equal to 0. So 10x minus 1 and 10x minus 1 equal to 0. 10x minus 1 equal to 0, or 10x minus equal to 0. 10x equal to 1, x equal to 1 upon multiplication is there coming this side, so division. Same way 10x equal to 1, x equal to 1 upon 10. So 1 upon 10 and 1 upon 10 are the roots of the given quadratic